Estimate. Estimate means round to one So estimate means round to one significant figure. That's what that word means. So we're going to estimate, we're going to round 92 to one significant figure. 92 to one significant figure is actually 90. 1.63 to one significant figure is actually 2. So when we estimate this, the answer is actually 180. Given that this multiplied by this is this, find the value of that first bit multiplied by 32. Now 32 is 10 times this. So if we've got 29.6 multiplied by 3.2, to get from that 3.2 to the 32, we have to multiply by 10. And then that and that equal each other. So what we do is we take this 9.472 and we multiply that by 10 to get our answer. And when we multiply by 10, what we're doing is we're shifting one place value to the right. So that 9 actually becomes 90. That 4 there becomes 4. And then we just move everything along. 94.72.